Ladies and gentlemen, we are back here on the most legitimate app on the internet, Hyper Plinko. Today I'm going to be reading out some reviews that I saw of Hyper Plinko, which I absolutely loved. Pretty much, guys, the app is now starting to get bombarded with 1-star reviews because people are starting to figure out that the app is just a massive scam, essentially, that slows down eventually as you get further into the app to make sure you don't win some money. Now, the app does promise you guys that you're going to make a whole bunch of money. I'm on 25 real-life dollars now, apparently. But guess what? I can't cash that out until I reach 100. But will I ever reach 100? I highly doubt it. There are a whole bunch of people right now that are trying to figure out, can you actually reach $100 on Hyper Plinko to cash out? I had some people telling me that's not actually 100 real-life dollars. Well, yes, it is, everyone. You need 100 of the currency to get 100 of the PayPal real-life dollars. So you got to remember that. Literally, like each time you hit one of these little dollar signs, that's 1 single cent going into your account. So 1 cent, everyone. Not a dollar, 1 single cent. Now, as the app gets harder and harder, like as you start progressing and generating more money, the app is going to start slowing down the dollar signs appearing, okay? You have to remember that. And it's going to stop you from getting heaps of these pinballs as well. Hyper Plinko is the most perfect scam going around right now, okay? Legitimately. Pretty much, I'm going to read you out some of these reviews, dude, because they're so funny. People are so angry with Hyper Plinko because they've spent heaps of time trying to generate money, bro. You got to read some of these reviews. Look, I'll put some on the screen for you right now. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I post videos exposing all these scam apps, dude. Please be sure to stay tuned, okay? Please be sure to hit like as well. Like right now, you see me with all these pinballs. Life is going fantastic. We're pretty much rich. Look at all these pinballs, dude. Look at the money going up. We're on $26 right now. But none of it's real. None of it's real, everyone. Don't even get fooled. Seriously, dude. Now, look, you do have the fruits here, which is fine. I can't really... I'm not going to add... No, I'm not going to try and get extra pinballs. No, thank you, app. I don't feel like that. Let's go to the shop quickly. 120 real-life dollars or in-game currency, right? Would you... Listen to me, everyone. Think about this from a legitimately logical point of view. Would you rather a $100 PayPal voucher for $100 of in-game currency, or would you rather a stupid pinball skin for 120 real-life dollars of their currency? Would you rather the PayPal cash card that you get in real life, or the stupid skin? Developers, what are you doing? This is the dumbest situation I've ever seen in my whole life. Plus, the Ghost Ball, not Ghost Ball, Ghost Ball is 20 million coins. And you only get 5 coins per those little stars. What a situation. Anyway, let's start reading some reviews. Here we go. So, first review. Don't fall into the trap. All these games are scams. Don't waste your time. They don't actually pay you money. Reviews say people have played daily for months and still haven't reached the limit to cash out. But to use all the free balls every day, you watch 30 ads 30 times a day. So you have. So he's pretty much saying, don't fall for the scam, everyone. The app just wants you to watch advertisements. That's all it is. And that's exactly what Hyper Plinko is, ladies and gentlemen. Let's read another one here. This game will never pay out. A complete waste of time. I've played 2 weeks without a single penny added to my total frozen account of $90.48. Don't waste memory space for aggravation. Pick any other game for a better chance if that's possible. There are so many reviews pointing out that there will never be, I guess he means cashing out. So there you go. Another person, guys. Here we go. Another app or another review of the app. I'm only going to try and explain this once. There is no such thing as free money. The ads that you're looking at are advertised by the app to the consumer, which is you, the donkey. No, the donkey. Dude, the company who provides the app makes money every time it's viewed. Those free games or tokens you click for to get are, and then it cuts out. I don't know why it doesn't show the rest of the review. That's a bit frustrating. But he called everyone donkeys. Do you know how hilarious that is, dude? We all got called donkeys for even trying this app out. Alright, here we go. Brittany says, you need to reach 100 to cash out. So $100 to cash out. The problem is once you reach a certain point, green pegs are basically non-existent. Without the green pegs or cash hole at the bottom, you cannot progress at all. meaning you cannot reach the $100 cash out, which I said from the start. The app is the biggest joke going around town, everyone. Hyper Plinko is the biggest scam, and I hope that my videos are exposing this app. There's other people that are actually trying to play this app on their channel, dude. You're going to be playing all year. Good luck if you're actually trying to make a series out of Hyper Plinko. It's a joke, dude. Anyway, let's watch this ad. Let's give the developers 2 cents of my money. Here we go, everyone. I don't get it, man. I don't get it. Alright. 30 more pinballs in the bank. Nice. Let's keep doing this. Here we go. Now, I don't know what's going to happen here. Am I even going to be able to pull this off? Let's see. Dude, look, there's no pegs really already. Guys, there's legitimately no pegs really on the screen. Last time I played, when I first started this app, I had so many more green pegs on the screen. There's literally 3 on the screen right now, and I'm only on $27. Almost $28. Makes me upset. It legitimately makes me upset that apps like this are allowed to exist on the Play Store. Google, what are you doing? Like, seriously. Google, remove these... No, sorry. They're never going to remove these apps because they're generating money for them. Do you really think Google's going to remove these apps, bro? They love it. The apps, they make so much money. Developers make so much money. It's the biggest joke going around town. And like that review guy said, we're all donkeys for even trying this app out. Legitimately. Look, I just got extra pinballs. Woohoo! That's great, man. Yeah, give me the extra pinballs. That's exactly what I want. Almost at 30 real life dollars that I'm never going to be able to cash out, by the way. Just an FYI. Already out of pinballs. That's it. It's over already. That's fantastic. Oh, I got lucky fruit, everyone. A pineapple, which I already have. So who cares about that? That's what's even great. I have 6 pineapples, 6 bananas, 5 watermelons. What's the point? What's the point, bro? Like, if you have duplicate fruit, it doesn't even let you do anything with it. What a joke Hyper Plinko is. Like, honestly, I'm not going to watch another ad, by the way. Let's read another review quickly. Here we go. Don't waste your time with this app. 5-star reviews have been paid for or fake. I know that no game is going to make you rich, but this literally never pays out. I've played it for a while now and very quickly got to $90 and 21 fruit. It's been a month now and I have not earned an extra penny or fruit. Here's someone else says, starts out pretty good, lots of coins and dollar coins, then slows down once you hit $60 or so. Then even slower when you hit the upper 80s to about 95. Then it's only coins, and if you get the ball into the pipes to spin the slot machine, it's nothing but extra balls, coins, and fruit. So pretty much every single legitimate review of Hyper Plinko is saying it's a scam, everyone. So you gotta give up. You gotta give up, man. Delete this app. Get rid of it, everyone. If you're watching this, get rid of Hyper Plinko. You're gonna be wasting your time and effort. It's a joke. Please don't fall into the trap of spending hours upon hours watching advertisements for these Muppet developers. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'm going to end it here. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed. I post all types of videos on my channel regarding gambling apps and, you know, investing, all types of money videos. Check it out if you want to learn some finances. Catch you around, everyone. See you later.